life as a 9 to 5 girly. Exactly this type of shoe. It's my own fault if it doesn't fit. I'm going to take you guys with me to the event. Very hello IT world. Good morning. I just got ready for work. I did a very light glam because today we have a kind of team event at the end of the day. And I thought I would show you guys my life as a 9 to 5 girly. Normally I go to my client's office, but today I'm going to my own office. So I also prep myself a matcha latte to go in the car. And let's pack our bags and head to the office. I'm home. I'm so tired. It's been such a long day. It's almost 8 p.m.-ish. I left the office around 7 p.m. because today we also had our team meeting / dinner in the evening. So I stayed at the office a little bit longer than usual. But I'm happy that I'm finally home, except tomorrow and the next day I have another work event with a overnight stay. And I want to show you guys a little bit of that too, but I need to prepare myself for that because I need to leave very early in the morning with public transportation, and I need to pack for the overnight stay. I need to do my full shower because I want my hair to be clean, fresh and all that. But I wanted to show you guys something because I got a package today. I ordered new shoes because they were on sale and I thought it was a really good price, and I've been wanting those type of shoes for a while. It's from the brand Vagabond. I don't know how you pronounce that. Ooh, they are very pretty. Amazing. This looks so cunty. My friend, I showed him pictures and he described it as cunty, and that's exactly this type of shoe. It has a kitten heel, so that must be comfy on its own instead of a very high heel. And then this is so pretty, and I really wanted a pointy toe because I don't have any good pointy toe shoes yet except for one pair of boots, but I can't really wear those boots everywhere. I think this would also be very cute to wear to the office if I want to have like a more glam look. They look a little bit big, and the website did say to size down, and I didn't listen. So it's my own fault if it doesn't fit. This is what they look like on. So pretty. They fit really well. I do feel like they would look the best if I have some long pants over it and you mostly see the pointy toe but not the rest of the shoe, because I do think that my feet look a little bit big. I might want to get those cushions that will protect the back of my feet, because I do feel like it cuts in my feet a little bit. But I'm really happy that I have this pair of shoes now. I'm going to wash up now and get ready for bed. I will see you guys tomorrow morning again. Good morning. It is currently 7 a.m. and I kind of need to leave in like 10 to 15 minutes max. So I'm running late, but I just got ready and I'm packing my bags now because I have the overnight stay thingy. I don't think I actually told you what I'm gonna do yet, but I have a work event that is like a hackathon. We have to try to hack something. Yeah, so it's basically a 2-day tech event for the platform that I'm working with, which is called Mendix. So I'm going to their head office in the Netherlands, which is in Rotterdam. And I need to take the train, which is why I'm leaving so early, because normally I would just go with the car. Anyway, I need to really speed up my process right now, but I'm going to take you guys with me to the event, so you will see later on this vlog.
The developer side of things, but also by the ethical side of things.
We're at the Mendix event capturing flags, the Capture the Flag event, and I already captured one flag. 2 years ago I also joined and also captured one flag, so I feel like I reached my limit. I'm also helping with the socials for my company, so I'm going around doing like interviews. And it's really fun because we're basically all sitting together. There's like 3 teams of our company and we're all like seated in the same area and all very focused on trying to solve the challenges, because you basically have to solve challenges by hacking into like an app or something, and then you can find a flag, which is basically just a text string. Very hello IT world. It is 7:30 right now. We are still at the office. This is the progress of my team. Everything that is green is solved, which is really good, but this is only the first part of it. These are the rest of the challenges, so there's still a lot to do. But I think we're gonna end the day soon, and then tomorrow we have another day to complete all the challenges. Day 1 over!
Oh, those are
Live from my humble pot. Look at the lighting. Oh god. So this is the door. Let me give you a tiny room tour. This is so funny. So they have a huge ass mirror, but then this is basically the whole room. We have a few of these storage area thingies. And then down here is my bed. How cozy. That's it. They booked us all a pod, and then we just have shared toilets and bathrooms, and most of us are all on the same floor. So we are going out right now, explore the city, go for drinks probably. Then later tonight I will be back and do some skincare, I think.
Je kan het meenemen of in de basket. En dan kan je daar gewoon in de lunchroom eten.
Ja, precies.
Ik ben aan het filmen nog. Maar dan kun je het ook inderdaad meenemen.
Ik stel voor om het mee te nemen. Maar als team zou...
Ik denk dat mijn team daarom 7 of zo is. Als ze nu al zo zijn.
Dit ook niet.
Ja.
Jij bent nu...
Jij moet ook daarheen.
Good morning. I slept well. Actually, I always have a little bit of a hard time whenever I sleep somewhere else. It's a little bit unsettling in the beginning. I also, if I see like dirty things on the bed or something, it makes me... So it's not really dirty here, but like there's like some dust, black dust. I don't know where it's coming from because everything is white here. So when I start sleeping it was a little bit unsettling, but I actually always bring my own pillowcase so that my head is at least resting on something that I'm familiar with, and then I'll be fine, basically. My team actually continued hacking last night when we were out having drinks all together, so they were there with their laptops, very funny, and they actually did solve 2 more challenges, and then they got to 6th place or something, so yay, go my team. Right now I just need to go and get ready.